Hello, my dear children. How are you? Hope you are good, you are happy, you are healthy. My dear children, again I am with you with a new sound. So, you learn six sounds: A, apple; B, bunsen, K, clever cat; D, dippy duck; E, elephant; and fisherman. So today I brought a new sound for you. So my dear children, this is a girl. Who is she? She is a girl. She is a girl. She is a girl. She has golden hairs. She had golden hairs, and she has a gift. A gift. So I will tell you more about her. First, you go like my video, subscribe my channel. My name is teacher Nadia Javed and my channel name is Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School. And here in my channel you can learn lot of phonics, all the letters and all the poems. So subscribe it and like the videos and learn more and more. Thank you so much. So I'm going to introduce a new sound to you. This is a new character of Letterland. So Letterland has a beautiful girl today. So her name is Golden Girl. Wow. See, she is sitting on a swing. On a swing. She is sitting on a swing. Her hairs are golden. See? And she has, what is this? Grapes are here, my God. So, she is saying all the time when she swings. When she swings, see how she says. She says all the time, go. When she swings, this is the action of the sound, go. When she swings, she says, go. She says, go. Right? So, it has a poem also. She has a poem also when she swings. Right? Okay. Sing with me, everyone. Golden Girl says, go inwards, go inwards, go inwards. Golden Girl says, go inwards, giggling merrily. Right? Her girlfriend has another sound, other sound, another sound. Her girlfriend has another sound. Just you wait and see. Yes, my dear, you should remember this thing. Golden Girl says go, but Golden Girl has another, Golden Girl has a friend and Golden Girl friend has another sound, right? Which you will learn on the next level, right? Very nice. So today we have Golden Girl. So Golden Girl says all the time go. All the time go. Very nice. Golden Girl says go inwards all the time. So my dear children, Golden Girl has a friend. Has a friend, it's also a, she is also a girl. She is also a girl with golden hairs. Yes. She has a friend and so girl brought a gift for Golden Girl. What she brought? She brought a gift for the Golden Girl. And what was in the gift? So we will see it. She brought a gift. She brought a gift for Golden Girl. So what is in the gift? Wow. She brought This is a girl. Her name is Golden. She is also a golden girl and she is also a golden girl. She brought a gift for golden girl. What is in the gift? So we will see. When she opened the gift, golden girl opened the gift, and what she saw in the gift? Okay, I will show you. She saw grapes. Wow, grapes in the gift. Gift. She has a gift, and when she opened the gift, what she saw? She saw grapes. Grapes in the gift. Wow. And what did she say? She ate all the grapes. She ate all the grapes. Then she sat on her swing. Sat on her swing, and then she say, go. What she says? Go. What she says? Go, because she was very happy after eating so many grapes. She was very happy. So that's why she sat on a swing and she says, go. So my dear, see carefully how the g sound is. You will make a curve on the head of golden girl, then you will go down on her here and then make a swing for her. Then make a swing on her. Then she will sat on a swing. So this is a g sound. This is g sound. So are you happy to learn about g sound? Yes, of course. You are very happy because you are going to learn. This is your 7th sound, right? So you are learning more and more day by day, lesson to lesson. So this is very good for you. So my dear children, I have a vocabulary chart for you today. See? Yes, so many things with g sound. Can you see it properly? Yes. A girl, this is g sound. G glass, yes, you use it daily. You drink water in the glass. G glass. And what is this? Yes, g goat. G goat. You like that now? Yes, this is a pet animal and everyone likes it. So g goat. And what are these? Wow, yummy. These are grapes. Children like most, right? These are grapes. And you like to eat grapes. Very nice. G glass, g grapes, g goat. And in winter season you wear on your hands. What are these? These are gloves. Very nice. G gloves. G gloves. And you have a sister or you have a friend and what is this? This is a girl. This is a girl. Girl. Very nice. This is a very small but very informative chart for you. You learned so many vocabulary words from this chart. So very nice. Right? Again we will revise. G glass, g grapes, g goat, g gloves and g girl. And which sound you learned today? G sound. Which sound you learned today? G sound. Very nice. So we shall revise again. What is the new character? What is this character of Letterland? Her name is Golden Girl. Why is she called Golden Girl? Because she has golden hair. Because she has golden hair. And all the time she says, go. When she swings, she says, go. Very nice. So she has a gift. So what was in the gift? Grapes. Right? So this is your new sound. So first the last, what is the very important thing, how you will write g sound. How you will write g sound? First, like my video, subscribe my channel, and my dear children, pray for me, right? Okay, so you will learn how to write g sound. My dear children, first you learn the middle two lines sounds, then you learn the upper three lines sounds. Now, how you have to write g sound? We will not use this line, first line. You will write g sound on the lower three lines. How? You will start from here. You will not pick up your pen, pick up your pencil. You will start from the second line. You will make a curve, go up, down, down, and touch the last line and make a round. Make a round. This is g sound. So, again, with a new color pen. So, you will not use the first line. Start from the second line, make a curve, go up, touch this line, go down, and on the last line you will make a round, little round. This is g sound. Okay? So, we learned today g sound, g golden girl, g grapes, g gloves, g goat, g glass. Right? So many vocabulary words we learn from g sound. Thank you so much, my dear children. Take care of yourself. Take care of your parents. Pray for me and pray for my channel. Pray for my efforts. Thank you so much, my dear children. Bye-bye.